Hello guys, how you all doing? So I'm just literally going nuts since last these weeks, cracking this vertically shiny structure that is appearing around the globe, known as monoliths. Yeah, so I did read many conspiracy theories, saw incredible memes, uh, but couldn't crack a bit or understood where it came from or how it came to be. No global authorities are claiming, or no official statement has appeared yet as to why and how these monoliths came to be. A well-known, most famous artwork group are selling the replicas of the same for as long as more as $45,000. Yet, uh, no one is able to understand or crack the mystery behind its appearance. No official government authorities are claiming how it came to be and what's the purpose behind it. Though conspiracy theories claims that it's an initial alien invasion, or some say it's a new 5G towers. But what I personally feel is maybe it's a gradual, gradual opening of global economy, thereby starting with attracting tourism around the globe. So maybe it's like opening of a economy after so many months of lockdown. Maybe it's a marketing gimmick by an artwork industry or a group of people. Yet no one knows what it's all about. Though it have appeared in many European countries, North American countries, Central American countries, Australian and UK. Uh, Also to date were found in Poland, Colombia. Yeah, in Colombia they have found a golden vertical structure. Yet nobody claims or no official statement have came from authorities. But memes are doing tremendous job in what they are good about. So let's wait and understand how it, how it came to be until an official statement arises. What do you guys think about the same? Please put down in comments and let me know. Let me know if even it's a meme. Please comment down. Uh, let's together crack this vertically elongated structure that's going rounds around the corner since last few weeks. Let's wait for official statement. Please comment on what you think about the same. Until then, take care.